Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to explain how we can create a time field in Salesforce. So before that, we need to understand what is time field in Salesforce. Salesforce time field is used when you want to store only time like hours, minutes, seconds without any date. In that time only, we are going to use time field. So for example use cases are office login time, shift start and end time, call time, working hours tracking. In all this scenario, we are go with time field. So what is time field in Salesforce? A time field stores time values in hours, minutes, seconds format. It does not store date information. For example, 9:30 a.m., 18:45, 10:15, 13, like that. Means 10 is the hours, 15 is the minutes, 13 is the seconds. Where you can create time field in Salesforce, you can create field in both standard object and custom object. So how we can create? We will go with real time example. So first we need one use case. So currently I have a one receipt object. So this is my receipt object. Okay. So in here I need to store that receipt created time, right? So that's why I just click on setup, click on setup, go to object manager, search in quick find box, search receipt object. Receipt is our custom object. Okay. Go to field and relationships. Try to create new. So in data type, you need to select time. So scroll below. In here, time. If data type is present. So there is a one description like allows user to enter the local time. For example, 2:40 p.m., 4:40, 4:40:00 and 4:40:50, like this. All are valid times for the field. So you can enter this all these formats. Okay. So that's why I'm click on time, click on next. Receipt generated time. Then click on next. Make it visible. Click on next. Click on save. Now that date field is created successfully. So now then we go to page layout. Open page layouts. In here we need to check it's currently present in page layout. It's currently present. So I will drag to this place. Then click on save. So again go back to front end. Open receipt object. Just refresh once. Once you refreshed, so just click on new. Enter customer name. I will go with Harish. Receipt date is 25. Approved status is pending. Account is gets communication. Mode of payment is credit card. Total amount received is 15K. So receipt generated time is I will select. You can select any time. I will go with 12:15. Then click on save. Now once you saved, that receipt time will be stored like 12 hours 15 minutes 00 seconds AM. So this is how the time field will be work in Salesforce. So I hope you understand these things, how we can create and use the time field in Salesforce. So thank you for watching.